Hi everyone, welcome to a more majestic home decor with me, Annette Morris. And today we're doing the Recycled Wood Useful DIY Challenge. And it's hosted by Mama Dia's Life Handmade. So sit back and relax and see how I pull this together. Now this is what I found at the Goodwill for $1.99. And it's an easy bowl maker. Yeah, but there's some missing. Several things missing off this bowl maker. So I have to go and search and see how can I reconstruct this bowl maker. So I went to look this up on the internet, and Pinterest had this right here, and both said they was out of stock. So I'm thinking this is worth the putting it together, reconstructing it, and seeing how I can use this easy bowl maker. After trying several size wooden sticks to fit in each hole, and nothing fit exactly. But I kept searching. I thought, okay, if I glue it in, that would work. But then, after searching, I came up with my own idea how to make this work for me. I really didn't want to glue the rods and the doilies in. So I decided to find other recycled items that I could use. I just came across these more sticks, and I decided to try this. And it worked perfect. These are usually sponges that after I use them, I discard them. But I noticed the wooden pieces on them, and maybe I could use that. And it just worked out perfect for this. And I'm able to take them out and reuse them over and over again. So this is another recycled wood pieces that I would have just discarded that now I can use to help restore and reconstruct this easy bowl maker. With this tape, I'm able to wrap the end of this stick here and use it to secure the ribbon on the other end of the bowl maker. Coming up, you'll see me cutting pieces of that masking tape. These strips of masking tape will help to wrap around the smaller stick you see there, which would be secured down at the other end of the bowl maker. Now remember, when I went to look this bowl maker up, it was running for $12.97 on Trendy Tree, and then $7.99 on eBay. Once this stick is secured down in place, it's used to hold your ribbon or any fabric that you decide to use to make your bows. And yes, good. It's secure and it works great. let's start making some bows. If you look closely, you'll see that there's a ruler already made on this, so you can see the different measurements that you can take to make your different size bows, and that's really convenient as far as cutting the lengths that you need. So I decided to make a simple bow with using just 4 easy pieces, 3 the same size, which is 6 inches, and then 1 that's a smaller size, that's 4 inches. So just 4 easy pieces. I'm showing you how you can just fold the first one in half and then cut to get that ducktail look, or you can leave it plain, either way you want, but this is just me showing you, demonstrating how you can do that. Then that would be your first piece on your bow maker. Then another easy way of doing it before you add on the other pieces is to find your middle point. And when you do that, I've seen people do this different ways, but I decided to do it my way. So I'm going to bring this back up. I'm going to take it back off and show you an easier way to do it, to form your bow before you put it on there. Find the middle and then bring each end to the middle and glue it down in the middle. Do that for both your pieces here. And for that smaller piece, you can just put it aside to later. And here I'm just showing you the type of burlap ribbon that we're using and the 4 easy pieces. Another look at it before we assemble it and make the bow. Okay. Now I'm just showing you how to unfold it and glue it in the middle. And how you're going to take that to place it on the bow maker. And this cord, you can use any cord or ribbon or even wire for your middle piece to secure all pieces together. Okay, so now I'm showing you how I fold this before put it on the bow maker, and then secure everything in the same spot. All 3 pieces are there. Now you take your cord or your wire and you tie it around all 3 pieces very tight. Then you can bring it up and secure it some more. You can also adjust anything that needs to be adjusted at this point before you secure it down with a knot. I would like to thank the 2 hosts, Mama Diaz and Tammy Roberts, for hosting this collaboration, and a playlist. Wonderful participants will be listed down below. Now, before we secure the small one in the middle, we tied our knot, and now we just cut off our little ends there, and we're gluing the knot down so it don't come loose as we're working the bow. Now for the smaller piece, you're just bringing the ends over in the middle, and you're going to wrap it around just like this around the bow, and then you're going to secure it in the back with glue. You may need to find something, because the glue do get hot, to hold that in place while it's drying. Okay, now you will need to glue and secure the other end. And find something to hold in place because that is hot. Now that all 4 pieces are together, you want to start fluffing your bow. You can leave it straight and attach it to a present, or you can actually bring the ends, the tails of the bow down more in the middle. So it's up to you. And don't forget to take time and fluff it. The more fluff, the more better it look. And this is one that I had on standby that I had to finish up. That had wire. There's wire in the back of that. Or you can use core, anything, string, or anything that you have left over to attach with glue. Glue it down so you can wrap it on a, it'd be great for a wreath. You can tie it on a wreath or on a present. It's up to you. That's complete our demonstration of what to do with this easy bow maker. I'm so glad that I came across this. I've always wanted one, and to find one that I had to reconstruct wasn't all that hard. Can you see yourself constructing this yourself? I think you can. Comment down below and let me know what you thought of this. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. And of course, subscribe. Thank you, Amores, and see you next time.